Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change navigation buttons to gesture navigation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. You will see navigation buttons below here. Okay, this is back button, this is home button, this is recent tab button. Okay, suppose instead of using buttons, if you would like to use gestures, then yes, you can change from buttons to navigation gestures. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to display, then go to navigation bar, and here instead of buttons, just click on this swipe gestures so that you can swipe from the bottom right side or left side to go back. Okay, so from the screen, if you would like to go back, what you have to do is swipe from here. Okay, now it goes to the previous screen. Okay, to go back again, I swipe from the left side. So either you can use bottom right swipe or left swipe to go back. Okay, both will serve the same purpose. And to go to the recent tabs, swipe up in the bottom middle and hold. Okay, this will give what are all the apps that you have previously opened. Okay, to go to the home screen directly, swipe up in the bottom middle and release. Okay, just to swipe up. And yes, so in this way you can easily change from buttons to navigation gestures in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.